Hello everyone, it's Nathan from Quality Electrician, your local electrician in Birkenshaw, Bradford. Now today we have replaced this lovely burnt out, as you can see, fuse board. I had a call a few weeks ago from a customer and he had to turn all his electrics off. Obviously this had pretty much ignited. Luckily it didn't go any further than that. All the fuse carrying, everything's all burnt out, but we managed to at least get him up and running temporarily, and we've now carried out an electrical inspection so that we can replace the fuse board. So we've done remedial work, so not really much to do. A couple of faults, which is nice. Installation actually about 40 years old. Surprisingly, there wasn't much to do. Now I think it's probably because it's untouched. It's, I don't think it's been touched, the electric, since it was installed, which is usually a good thing. Means no DIYers have had a fiddle with it, and that's what usually it goes wrong. So yeah, had a few faults on lighting circuit, broken accessories, faulty fan, just general things really. And yeah, so today we've replaced the old one with this nice shiny new one. We've got surge protection, we've got RCDs, and we've also now got an arc fault device which protects your electrical installation from loose connections pretty much under certain circumstances. So yeah, here we are. We've just got a little bit of testing left to do, and hopefully get it up and running. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully do the EV charger tomorrow. Everything's up and running. We've given it a quick test again, checked all the RCDs, tested them, they're all okay. So yeah, I guess if you've got any questions, by all means fire them over to me. You can just message me or you can comment. And yeah, thanks for watching.